Hey guys, welcome back. My name's Johnny. If this is your first time watching, I show you how to make money in the stock market. So if you like that kind of stuff, feel free to subscribe and click the little bell to my channel so you don't miss anything. Alright, so this is my Robinhood Week 26 0 to $1,000 challenge. And it originally started 0 to $100. I achieved that goal in 42 days and decided, hey, if I could do $100 in 42 days, how long will it take to get to 1,000? So right now I am up $37 for the week, $66 for the month, $96 for a 3-month period, and it hasn't been a whole year yet. So we are at $313 profit and overall $817 since August 15th. So it hasn't been that long, and I'm almost at 1,000. I put a few bucks in as I've gone along. For most of you know, do about 5 to 10 bucks a week. Nothing crazy. I mean, I think one week I might have did $20, but I wanted to show people that this challenge can be achieved from anyone at any level. I mean, if you have $5 in your pocket, you can start investing. And that's basically the whole point to this challenge. I'm not trying to throw anything in anybody's face. I'm not trying to say, hey, I got, $800 in my account, blah, blah, blah. But basically, it's just to show that anybody and everybody, any age, whether you're knowledgeable or don't know anything about the stock market, you can make money. And it's simple and easy if you know the right steps. And basically, I'm going to be coming out with a new course. It's going to be created by yours truly right here. And it's going to be Investing for Beginners 101. And I know that a lot of you are probably thinking, oh, great, another book, another get rich quick scheme, another thing just for someone to put out. That's wrong. I'm here to educate people in a free way. So it's going to be a free course for anyone to sign up to, because I believe that there's so much information out there. Why shouldn't your education be free in this time? We're in 2018. Let's get with the program already, right? So anyways, that was just a little cliff note on what's to come. I'll probably be releasing that within the next month or so, and I will definitely keep you all updated if you're interested. And again, it's going to be 100% free, and for anyone who wants to do it, just drop a line in the comment. Let me know you want to at least sign up and do it. There's nothing to sign up. It's free. Just give me your name, man, and then I'll write it down and we'll keep you in mind. No emails, no nothing to sign up. Completely 100% free. No attachments, okay? No crazy spam or crazy newsletters in your inbox every week. You can get that from me. This is just free information. If you want it, cool. So anyways, moving on with the video. So today was a little rough. I wanted to show you today because I was up about $8, and I decided I wasn't going to really lock in any profits today. I really strongly believe that over the weekend, price is going to go up. Monday is President's Day, so I'm not sure. I think the stock market will be closed. So on Tuesday, I do believe I'll come back to some really great gains and hopefully another, 15, 20, $30 just over the weekend. I just want to show you basically what I'm holding. I got a free share of Zynga yesterday, I believe, and thank you for signing up. I really appreciate using my link. If you have any questions, feel free and ask. Alright, and congratulations starting your Robinhood 0 to $1,000 challenge. It's going to be exciting, alright? Okay, moving on. Everything was pretty much down today. I don't particularly think that's a bad thing. That's just kind of the way it is. It's Friday. I'm sure a lot of people are selling because the market's a little iffy and they wanted to get out before the weekend. So that's kind of my own personal thoughts. Take it or don't. But anyways, I'm up 6 cents on AMD, up Intel 70 cents, Citi up to 11, NDAQ, I'm up 73 cents. JP Morgan up $2. Visa up 6.28, Apple up 13.70, and AMGN up 7.56. Now I picked these stocks again, guys, because I believe in the long run they're going to make me a little bit more money for what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to get my portfolio up to a certain point, say $1,000, so that way I could have a little bit more money to start day trading and do a little bit other things like dividend capturing. I mean, there's not a whole lot I can do with $800. I mean, there is and there's not. So let's just put it at that, because I started with zero and traded with $30, traded with $100. So I've traded literally at every single point that a new investor could be at. And I hate to say it, but it is a little hard to start out with not a lot of equity and not a lot of buying power. So that can be a little difficult. I did lock in a dividend capture with AMGN. That is the reason why I bought it. I locked in $1.32, but it's a surgical company, so I believe they're doing quite well for themselves. I'll probably be holding this stock for a little while. And so let's get to the 7th. Was the last time I did my video. So I bought Chesapeake Energy, I sold Chesapeake Energy, and I sold Zynga because those were free shares I got a few days before in the last video. Well, a week ago now. And Nvidia I sold for a nice profit. AMGN I sold for a nice profit, and I am back in again because the market had a correction, so I got in at a good discount, and I couldn't resist. I had to buy it again. I bought Citi, Apple, AMG at a pretty good price. Sold Berkshire Hathaway for, I believe, like a $5 or $6 profit. It wasn't a lot, but I just wanted to get out of it. Bought NDAQ just to kind of play around with it. I haven't actually owned a share of that yet. And then I bought JPM and AMD because they had a really good dip, and I wanted to get involved with that. And then I got my dividends finally from ABT and ABBV. That was just a penny shy of $1 on dividends. So not too much going on for the portfolio. Again, I wanted to just share that we are up $37 for the week. That's really not bad, guys. Just was it on Monday or Tuesday? I was up $20 for the day. So if you guys aren't following me on Instagram yet, you guys should go find me on Instagram. It's still Investing for Beginners, or you could just Google my name, Johnny Insignius, and you'll be able to find all that information. But yeah, I post every day on Instagram and Twitter. You could also find me on there, and I show you my daily gains and basically what I did for the day to get those gains. So some days I'm up $20, some days I'm only up $10, and some days I'm only up 34 cents. So that's just the way it goes. But remember, a green day is a good day. No matter how much you get, you don't win by a mile, you win by an inch or a mile, it doesn't matter, it's winning. So remember that, guys. And if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button, give me some love, and drop a comment, and please share this video with anybody you think might find it useful. Alright, guys, it was a little bit of a long video this time. I really appreciate you. I have so much information that I want to give you guys, and I can't wait to share it, so stay tuned.